What is up, everybody? Listen, I tried Uber Eats for 2 weeks so you don't have to. And let me be real with you, it sucked. I made just over $200 working late nights, lost a ton of time sitting around, and by the time I paid for gas, it felt like I was working for pennies. And if you're thinking about starting Uber Eats, or maybe you're already grinding it, I'm about to show you why switching to digital products is 100 times faster. Let's break it down. So here's the deal. Week 1, I made $120. Week 2, I made about $115. That's about $235 total. Sounds all right at first, right? But let's do the real math. I was working Friday through Saturday, 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. That's about 5 hours a night, 15 hours a weekend. Over 2 weeks, that's 30 hours. So 235 divided by 30 hours equals about $7.80 an hour before expenses. Gas cost me about $20 to $30 each night, so let's average about $25, and that's $75 per weekend just in gas. Over 2 weeks, that's $150 gone. So my real profit, $235 minus $150 is about $85 in 2 weeks. That's less than $3 an hour. And that doesn't even count wear and tear on the car, the insurance, or the mental stress of waiting around for orders. And let's keep it real. A lot of those orders were upside down, meaning that the trip was worth less than $1 per mile. So I had to decline most of them. And not everybody gives tips. There were always long waits. There's a lot of high competition. And to make it even worse, sometimes the app was even glitching. And half the time, what should have been a 10-minute run turned into a 30-minute headache because of traffic or not finding the customer's place. It's a hustle, but it's not freedom. It's trading time for pennies. Now let me flip it. I wanted to see what would happen if I put that same energy into digital products. And just to keep it 100 with you, I didn't use my old accounts or past sales. I started a brand new account a couple of months ago just to prove this works, even if you're a complete beginner. And check this out. In just a few weeks, that new account has already made me $947.60. That's about 10 times what Uber Eats paid me for the same amount of time, but without the gas, without the late nights, and without waiting around for trips. Here's the difference. With Uber Eats, you get paid once per trip and then it's over. With digital products, you bill once and sell over and over. Let's just say you sell a $27 digital product. You only need 9 sales to beat what I made in 2 weeks driving all those late nights. And those sales can come in while you're sleeping, no car required. Even better, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. I've put together a free digital product store that's plug and play. It's the exact same type of store that's already paid me commissions, and all you have to do is plug it in and start selling. So if you're thinking about Uber Eats or DoorDash or Grubhub or any one of those gigs, or maybe you're already out there burning gas and wasting weekends for like $3 or less an hour, let me just say this. Don't trade your time for tips. Build something that pays you over and over. Hit the link in the description to grab my free digital product store and start your digital hustle the smart way. Trust me, it's way better than sitting in your car waiting for orders. All right, you guys, that's my real Uber Eats experience and why digital products win every single time. If this video helped you open your eyes, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll keep showing you more ways to replace gig work with real online income. Catch you in the next one.